Hello, this is a video production for the audience of Theme Team leaders. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate for Theme Team leaders how to manage content on the new Student Affairs Division-wide Theme Team website in Blackboard for fiscal year 2012-13. We will be producing a separate video production for department heads to demonstrate how they can submit activity in support of theme team planning for the year. First, we will illustrate how you can self-enroll to the Blackboard site for Student Affairs Division-wide Theme Team Planning. You should have received an email from Eleuterio with a link for self-enrollment. The first step in this process is to log into your Blackboard account. If you have already successfully enrolled, you will already see the link here for the DOSA Strategic Plan implementation. For illustration in this video, we're going to go ahead and self-enroll again. Once you've logged into Blackboard, find the email that Eleuterio sent you and simply click on the link contained in the body of the email. You'll be presented with this screen where you can click on either one of the submit buttons to complete the self-enrollment process. After clicking submit, you should be greeted with an action successful message indicating that self-enrollment was successful. It's important that you click on the My Blackboard link at the upper right hand corner to refresh the listing down here of Blackboard sites that you are enrolled to. After clicking this My Blackboard link, you should see the Division New Theme Team site indicated. Next, we're going to go ahead and log in to the new site, and you'll be presented with this screen. On the left, you'll see that we have links for each one of the theme teams. It's important to note that you have security for editing any one of these theme teams. It's very important, therefore, that you only select the theme to which you are responsible. After opening your own theme, you want to make sure that you are in edit mode. If this is not already turned on, your screen will look like this. If you click on the link here, you'll notice that edit mode will turn on. It's possible that this will already be active for you when you first enter that theme site. The next step is to hover your mouse over the title for the theme, and to the right you'll see this drop down arrow here. If you click on this, you can hover down and click on Edit. This will open up the form for editing. Now we've entered the edit mode, I can resize the edit box if I wish by hovering down here, clicking the left mouse button, and just dragging the screen down. This will open up a larger pane for editing. I can still click on this scroll bar here to move down further and to resize the window again. Once you enter the edit mode, you'll notice that you have some very common alignment buttons: bold, italics, underline. You can change font color, and most importantly, you have a redo and undo button so that if you make edits that you need to back out of before you save the changes, you can go ahead and use undo and redo. It's possible also to use cut and paste functions when you're editing the theme team tables. So in this example, I can copy here, move into a cell in the table. We can select the text, resize it, and move on to the next cell. You will notice also as you click on any one of these cells, these guide objects will appear at the top and side. The X here indicates that you want to delete, in this case, a column, or delete, in this case here, a row. If you want to add a row or a column, you can use the right arrow or left arrow or up or down arrow. In the case of the theme team tables, we will never be adding columns at this stage, but you may need to add additional rows, and so you can click on these down arrows here and it'll add rows into the body of the existing table. If you are happy with progress in your editing at this point, you can go ahead and submit the changes up to this point. Note that once you hit the submit button, your undo and redo functions are no longer available to you, just as this is the same sort of behavior that you would see with Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Once you've submitted something, the changes are made permanent. If you're in the middle of editing and you find that you have made a number of changes that you would prefer to discard, you can hit the cancel button, and this will take you back to the original form of your document as it was last saved by you. Again, it's important to note that this functionality is available currently only for theme team leaders. There will be a separate video produced for departments to follow in submitting activities to theme team leaders for review and later posting to this same location. Thank you.